Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Autochartist is an advanced chart pattern recognition tool that can help you identify potential trading opportunities efficiently. So, let's get started with our quick guide. Firstly, log into your client portal and navigate to the Trading Zone section on the left-hand side of the page. Now, let's explore the key features. Starting with the market report. This section offers a comprehensive overview of the upcoming economic releases, highlighting key trends and potential trade opportunities. Moving on to our favorites. Here, you can personalize your watch list by trade probability, select your preferred trading instruments, and Autochartist will keep you updated on any emerging patterns or trading opportunities. Next up is Volatility Analysis. This feature provides insights into the expected volatility of different instruments. Understanding market volatility is crucial for risk management and trade decision-making. In market news, stay informed about the latest developments influencing the financial markets. Timely news updates can be vital for making informed trading decisions. The calendar feature provides an economic calendar, helping you keep track of important events and economic releases that may impact the markets. Lastly, performance statistics is a valuable tool for analyzing the historical performance of chart patterns identified by Autochartist. This can assist you in evaluating the reliability of specific patterns over time. That wraps up our quick guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy trading and see you in the next video.